Snowstorm. Snow is one of the interesting phenomena when winters arrive. The snow is attractive because the ice crystals are soft white like satin. Snow only falls in countries that have four seasons or in high places such as Mount Jayawijaya in Papua, Indonesia. Snow originates from air vapor that collects in the Earth's atmosphere. The collection of air vapor then freezes at the condition point, the point where the gas turns into a liquid or solid form, then collects and forms a cone. Air particles that fall to earth are pure air, not yet pollution and by other particles. Pure air does not freeze emissions at 0 derajat Celsius. To make pure air freeze liquid at temperature lower than 0 derajat Celsius. However, low temperatures are not sufficient to form snow. The particles for pure air need to be committed by other particles in the air which will help speed up the freeze. Then, the pure water will turn into ice crystal. Pollution particles involved in the process are called neutralizer, not function to speed up the freezing process but also to bond between water vapor. So, air particles that have been pollution gather with other air particles to form big ice crystal. These ice crystals are what we call snow. Snow has a unique structure because no snow crystals have the same shapes as our fingerprint. Thank you. Good morning.